What's up, guys? This is Murtuza here, and in this video, I'll be showing you the demo of AI bot. And this bot is trained to communicate with a skin and hair clinic, basically a hair loss clinic. Okay, so the bot is completely trained. So let's chat with the bot and see how it is performing. Okay, so I'll type in, "Hey, WhatsApp," and let's see what the bot replies. So we have set up a few seconds wait. After that, the bot will reply back so that it looks like a human is chatting with us. So, hello, I'm here to help you with any hair concerns you might have. What specific hair issue are you looking to address? This is the bot reply. Okay, so I'll say I have hair loss issue. How can you help? Okay. As you can see here, the first objective was met by the bot. Basically, the bot is specifying that we are here to solve hair concerns. Okay, so that is the first objective that the bot has successfully met. Okay, so we can specify different objectives as well as what do you say, different goals that the bot needs to be met or different qualification questions before the bot books an appointment. Okay, so now I said, hi, I have hair loss issue. How can you help? We can definitely help with hair loss. Would you be interested in starting an effective treatment from home through our free online consultation with Dr. Tasneem? So this is one of the qualification question. Basically, we provide a home based hair loss treatment. So we want to see here basically if the client is okay for a home based treatment. Okay, so that is qualification question number one. Okay, so I'll say yes, how it works. Okay, so let's see what the AI will be replying back. Okay, great. The consultation involves a detailed discussion with Dr. Tasneem to assess your hair and lifestyle factors contributing to hair loss. Based on this, personalized recommendations for products or treatments are provided. Could you please share which country you are located in so we can schedule the consultation at a convenient time for you? So I'll say, let's say I'm located in US. Okay. So now basically it's trying to figure out the time zone and the country so that it can book an appointment with specific time zones. Okay. Because the client can be in India and basically the prospect can be in US and the person who's booking an appointment can be in India. Okay. So that's how it works. So US, now could you please provide your full name for the booking? So I'll say my full name is, let's say, Tasneem Banswara. Okay, so I'll just put another name like Maria Abbas. Okay, so now, so basically that is again a question. Okay, after the time zone, it is asking for the full name. Then we have programmed this to ask for other stuff like email, all that stuff. Okay, could you also let me know your state or city in the US? This will help us determine the best time for your consultation. So let's say I'll say Florida. So basically, this bot is booking, appointments during conversation. It is not giving any calendar link. Okay, so it will book appointment during the conversation itself. Thank you, Maria. Could you please provide me your email address so we can send you the details and the link for the online consultation? So I can put something like Maria at bars.com. Okay. So and while it is taking the information, it was storing all the details like the name, email, phone number within the CRM. Okay. So thank you, Maria. Lastly, could you share your WhatsApp number, which with a country code, so we can confirm the appointment details directly? So I'll say plus 91619430 Okay. So now let's say thank you for providing your contact details. We'll set up your free consultation with Dr. Tasneem and send you all the necessary information shortly. Is this specific time or day that works best for you? Okay, so now it has taken the details like name, email, mobile number. It is now basically uh, asking for a specific date and time when the appointment will work for me. So let's say I'll say maybe 8 a.m. is fine. So let's see what the bot says. Now it is checking my calendar and seeing the you know availability to book an appointment, and based on that it will give details if it's available or not. It will schedule it for 8 a.m. Also, are you comfortable receiving products by a courier at the location for any treatments recommended by Dr. Dasin? This is one of the qualification questions because we will be courier the products to the clients. Okay, so this is a qualification question basically. I'll say yep. So that's qualification question number two. While booking, it is even qualifying the prospect. Perfect. We are an available time slot for a consult at 8 a.m. tomorrow, Friday, November 29th. Shall I go ahead and confirm this time for you? Yes. So now directly it will book an appointment and send the meeting link, the Google Meet link directly on email, and then the reminder follow up will get started, reminding the prospect to come on the appointment on time. Okay, so everything is happening on automation while the conversation is going on. Okay, so I have said this. Yes. Perfect. We are available time slot for your consultation 8 a.m. tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so it's just saying that the conversation works for live contact. So basically, this is just a demo chat happening. So when the chat is basically live, okay. So when we connect this AI chatbot to your Facebook, Instagram, it also works on website chat widget. Then it works on SMS, WhatsApp, email. So when the basically the chatbot is live, it will go out and actually book an appointment. Okay, so this is basically a demo of the AI, how the AI is performing. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.